Good morning, everybody. We're going to start today part 3 from our lesson. And I'm going to start this exercise with the question number 1. B is at a pairing of 30 degrees from A, 5 centimeters away. Mark the position of B. The most important thing here, we need to decide where is the north. Where shall I put the north? So I'm going to put my north after the word from on A. So here I will put my north. Then I'm gonna turn using the protractor and use 30 degrees and draw my line. The length of this line should be 5 centimeters using the ruler. As you can make it accurate, guys, okay? So 30 degrees, I should measure it using protractor. And the length using ruler, I want to measure it 5 centimeters. Actually, question number 3 and 2, I'm gonna keep it for you. And I'm gonna discuss with you question number 4. In question number 4, they give us a shape is at pairing of 70 degrees. I'm going to show you the graph, so I'm going to explain for you how to do this. A pairing of 70 degrees from a shape. So let's say this is the lighthouse. I'm going to name it. Okay, lighthouse, which is the starter point. A ship is a pairing of 70 degrees from a ship 6 kilometers away. So there is another shape here. And this shape is 70 degrees from L. So what I'm going to do using protractor, I'm going to measure 70 degrees. And I'm gonna draw my new line, which is this one. They said it's 6 kilometers, but how can I draw 6 kilometers using the ruler? It's given for me in this question that 1 centimeter mean 1 kilometers. This is the scale of drawing. So any 6 kilometers, I'm gonna turn it into 6 centimeters and draw it using the ruler. So I'm gonna turn from the north of the lighthouse, which is here. I'm gonna turn 70 degrees. And I'm going to extend the line 6 centimeters using the ruler. Clap Island is at a pairing of 150 degrees from a ship. So this is the ship S. In this case, I'm going to show it for you here. This is the ship S, okay? And on the ship S, I'm going to turn 150 degrees and draw another Clap Island. See the Clap Island, CL? So I'm going to turn 150 degrees using the protractor, and they give me that it's 4 kilometers away. So 4 kilometers, I'm going to mention it now using 4 centimeters in the ruler. So here I'm going to draw a line with 4 centimeters and plot the point, which is CL, which is the Clap Island. Now, what I want to find how far away the island, the Clap Island, from the lighthouse. So this is the lighthouse. This is the ship, and this is the Clap Island. I need to find the distance from the Clap Island to the lighthouse. Using the ruler, you can measure it. You're going to get it 7.8 centimeters, but I need to write it down as a 7.8 kilometers because it's given in the question like this. I'm going to go for another type of questions. Actually, I'm going to send you this PowerPoint. Don't worry. Here, I need to revise a little bit how to use the parallel line to find the missing side, or missing angle. So in this case, I have alternate interior angles, and they are equal. Here we have corresponding angles, also they are equal. Here we have interior angles add up to 180. And here the sum of all the angles around one point, it will be 360. Now, I'm gonna start this exercise. This is one of the past paper questions. They want me work out the pairing of B from A. So if I want to find the pairing of B from A, I need to put my north on A. So when I know I put my north on A, I'm gonna turn from this north until I can reach the line between A and B. And to turn like this angle should be 180. So 180 plus 40, it will give me 220, which is the pairing of B from A. I'm gonna go for the next part now. In the next part, they want me check what's the pairing of A from B. If you can see, A from B. So I need to turn from the north of B until I can reach the line between A and B. So this is the angle what I need to find. See? This one. To find this angle, I need to find the interior angle, this angle inside the triangle. And I'm going to use the 90 degrees angle because it's forming for me 90 degrees because the north here, it's parallel I'm gonna show it using my pen. The north here, it's parallel to this side. So this is 90 degrees and this is 90 degrees. So I need to find this angle. To find this angle, I'm gonna start with the angle inside the triangle. To find it, I'm gonna say 180 minus 35 plus 90. I'm gonna get this into this angle. So I'm gonna say again 180 minus the sum of 35 plus 90. I'm gonna get this inside angle equal to 55. This 55 and the 90 degrees, which is the pairing of A from B, it will be 145. So in this case, the pairing of A from B will be 145. This is mixed question actually. We have here many steps. At the end, it will lead me to find the pairing of A from C. So I need to turn from C until I can get A. They give me here the pairing of B from A is 70 degrees. So this is 70 degrees. And the pairing of C from B, it's 100 degrees. The distance from A to B, this one, this side, it's equal to B to C. So it will form for us here isosceles triangle. And if I have isosceles triangle, I'm going to get the angle of the base congruent. The two angles will be congruent. If this is 10, this will be 10. If this is 15, this will be 15. But to find the two angles, I need to find the head of this triangle. Let me start step by step. First of all, I need to find this angle, the outside angle, if you can see it, this one, outside angle. So I can say 360 minus the two angle here. I'm gonna get the outside angle. To find this angle, see this angle, which is supplementary with the 101, because here we have same side angles or interior angles with parallel lines. So in this case, this angle equal to 80. And if I'll do the same thing with the 70 degrees, I'm gonna get this angle equal to 110. Now, I found this angle. I need to find this angle to say 360 minus the sum of the two angles to get the outside angle, which is the pairing of A from C. To find this angle, I need to find this angle at the beginning. To find this angle, I'm going to say 360 minus 100 and 110. I'm going to get this angle equal to 150. And because we have isosceles triangle, so the two angles will be congruent. So what I'm going to say in this case, I'm going to say 180 minus 150, which is equal to 30. The 30, it's going for the two angles. I need one of them, which is here. So I'm going to say 30 divided by 2, it will become 15. Now I found this angle equal to 15. I need to find the outside angle. The outside angle, it will start from C, go for A, which is the pairing of A from C. This is what I need to find. So I'm going to say 360 minus 80 plus 15. I'm going to get it equal to 165. Here, I used the parallel lines properties, and I used also the properties of the isosceles triangle. I want you to think about this question. I'm going to give you time to think about it. Stop the slide and try your best, do it alone. And when you finish, you can compare it to my work. Now, we need to find the pairing of B from A. The pairing of B from A, this means I need to turn from the north of A until I can reach the line between B and A. To turn and do this, I'm going to say 180, then 90 degrees, which is this space here, 90 degrees, plus 30. So all of this till the 30 will give me the pairing of B from A. So 180 plus 90 plus 30, it will give me 300. If you got it right, give yourself star. Now, I'm going to go for the next part. In the diagram, AB, it's equal to B to AC. So in this case, AB equal to AC. We need to find the pairing of C from A. So the pairing of C from A, this means I need to go from the north of A until I can touch this line which is connecting A with C. So I need this angle. See this angle? This is what I need to find. I have part of this angle equal to 50. I need to find the other part, which is here. As what we said before, we have north and north, they are parallel. So 180 minus 104, 180 minus, in this case, 104, I'm gonna get it equal to 76. So this angle equal to 76. I need the whole angle starting from the north to this line. So I'm gonna add the 76 plus 50, and I will get 126. So the first part is 126. Okay, I'm going for the next part. They want the pairing of C from B. C from B, so I'm gonna start with the north of B and turn until I can get C. So I need this outside angle. As what we did before in the previous exercise, we used the 360 minus 104 and this angle, and we got the outside angle. Now, to get this angle, see this angle, I'm gonna say, because this is an isosceles triangle, 180 minus this 50, which is 130. 130 divided by 2, I'm gonna get each angle. So it's equal to 65 in this case. So this angle and this angle will be 65. I need the outside angle. I'm gonna say 360 minus the sum of 104 and 65. I'm gonna get it equal to 191, which is the answer of my question. Okay? This assignment, I'm gonna send it on Google Class. I want you to enter there, do it, then please write it in a good handwriting. I want you to print the paper out, write on the paper, take photo and send it on the attached file. When you finish, please, I want you complete your work and do this extra exercise as practicing for your work. It's a past paper question. Also, I'm gonna send it with the assignment, but it's optional. Thank you.